So choosing the right webcam can be a daunting process. If you're anything like me, you end up watching hundreds of review videos to find out exactly how good each one is and which one would work best for what you want to do with it. And then there's also the cost. They can range anywhere from stupid cheap, pretty damn terrible, to crazy expensive and Hollywood quality. Well, I'm here today to help you save all that time and money by showing you how you can use your phone as a very good webcam both easily and cheap. Well, for free. This works for both iPhone and Android phones, but since I am using an iPhone, I will be showing you how to do it on the iPhone. The process is pretty much exactly the same for both though, so follow along anyway, even if you have another phone. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get to it. First, you need to download and install the Webcam app on your phone and your computer. This works on Windows, Mac, and even Linux, and I will leave the link down in the description for you. Once downloaded, just install it and open it up. You have to open it up on both the phone and the computer, but don't need any wires as long as you have a unified Wi-Fi connection. You also do have the option to use the phone plugged in directly into the computer if that's what you prefer. I don't like wires, so I don't do that. Now all you need to do is open up the app on both devices and input the Wi-Fi IP that appears on your phone's app into the computer's app. Make sure the port number is the same. Select if you want both video and audio or just video and press start. Just like that, you have a webcam for free. Well, that's if you already have a phone, and I'm assuming you have one, so free. So to use that video in any software like OBS, Zoom, or Skype, people still even use Skype? Anyway, just select it as the webcam like you would select any normal webcam. Now it needs to be said that there is a paid version of this app and it's pretty cheap, and in my opinion probably worth it if you want a bit more control over the footage. It allows you to change everything from the ISO to the resolution, removes the watermark, and allows you to remotely control the camera from OBS, which is pretty handy. But that's pretty much it, to be honest. I hope this helps. Please let me know if it did by liking the video for the algorithm, put a comment below for the engagement, and subscribe for future awesome content. Enjoy your new free webcam and have a great day.